Hi, this is Taylor Adams with Rentals in SF, and I'm the listing agent for this property. I've prepared a detailed video tour for you to take a look at that I think you'll find helpful. Before booking an appointment, please also remember to review the key terms on our website. Please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, as it really does help, and you'll see all new listings pop up here first. Without any further ado, let's get into it.
Okay, fantastic. Here we are in the highly desirable and convenient Inner Sunset neighborhood. Tons of food and drink, very walkable. We're just south of Golden Gate Park, 2 short blocks to Golden Gate Park. There's the N train, Muni train, and here we are right here. We've got a top floor flat right in front of us. In fact, it's the top 2 floors. You'll see in a moment. It does include that attic bonus room, which is really fantastic. Okay, let's cross the street carefully. And this is a 4-unit building. And let's go ahead and take a look. 2 units right here on the main level. And nice blue door right up these stairs here. You're going to notice mail is to the right. And it's 1448. And let's go ahead and step on in. Okay, recently renovated, new paint, new carpet runner right here. And you're going to find this full-length flat, east to west, light and bright. Really fantastic, lots of space. Okay, so this is looking west towards the front and looking east towards the rear of the flat. Let's start in the front. This is going to be afternoon and evening light. This is west facing. Nice bedroom, bay window, and some pretty decent views. A little foggy today, but some really nice views. Big wide street, and you're going to find most of the windows are double pane. And this does include a closet. Beautiful hardwood floors. And this one has a picture rail, so you can hang things without putting holes in the wall, and you can adjust different art pieces left to right and up, down. This also has a picture rail. This can be used as a bedroom or living room. It does have a door, so it definitely could be used as a bedroom. And let's peek out the window here, and I think I got a better shot right here. Oh, Golden Gate Bridge and the Marin headlands in the distance. Nice big room. Those pocket doors can open if you wish to have them open. You're probably going to have them want them shut because this could be another bedroom. Could be a formal dining room, but I think more appropriate a bedroom. But it's your space. Do whatever you wish. Built-in bookcases, 2 double-hung, double-pane windows. This goes to a center light well, helping get some east sun. Once again, light and bright, really pretty ceiling. And just to let you know, this could be used as a closet. Also could be a pantry, because that's the kitchen on the other side there. We'll take a look at that in a moment. Okay, it is a split bath. Very convenient for a roommate situation. And then we have the tub shower combination and a nice big vanity, plenty of countertop space. And there is a medicine cabinet there as well. East-facing bedroom, nice size. And this looks over the shared backyard. Once again, 4 units in the building, sharing that backyard. We are pet friendly, so occasionally you might see another dog in the backyard, of course, accompanied by its caregiver. or guardian. Okay, linen closet right here. And let's step into the eat-in kitchen. Just to let you know, there are new stainless steel appliances, which is a refrigerator and dishwasher, have been installed since I shot this video. New stainless steel appliances, dishwasher and refrigerator, brand new. Okay. Pretty private in the back. Nobody really looking in on you. Other houses are quite some distance away. Plenty of room for a big table here in this kitchen. And this could be used as a pantry, and once again, or a closet for the other room. And once again, the other room looks like that. Lots of cabinets, lots of countertop space, and a bonus, this is private laundry. Really tall ceilings. You could utilize some storage there. Could be some storage opportunities. Okay, small little deck here. Take a look. Always nice to have a view of Sutro Tower. Most apartments do in the city, not all, but many do. I think it's a bonus to see the Sutro Tower. Okay, are you ready to see the attic space? Could be a living room, could be a bedroom. Pretty wide ladder going up. It's actually pretty easy to climb. Nice big space up here. Could be a lot of fun. Okay, once again, this is a shared backyard. You're welcome to come down and use this space right here. Of course, the Golden Gate Park is 2 short blocks away, but it's nice to have a backyard to yourself as well. And there's what
Pretty
the rear
fantastic, right? Okay, well, that concludes our tour. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out our website for all up-to-date information on this listing and many, many more. Please smash the like button, and I wish you all the success in your home search. Take care. Thanks. Bye-bye.